What it is, folks, it's your boy PKNCSC where I stay. Man, I'm over here over there straight cooling like some poking beans, Jim. What it is. I hope everybody's doing alright today. I'm having a good day so far. I'm about to jump on Bull and go on and tackle this Hydro Boost rebuild. I've been putting it off for a while. And it's past time to get that thing right. Hopefully it'll be a success, you know. I'm tired of hearing that whining. You know, you get that whine, that power steering whine when your hydro boost is leaking. So hopefully it's just the seal in there, and you know, we'll be good to go. But if not, of course, if it's not, hey, we'll go from there. Yeah, I'm gonna go get set up, and I'll get back with you in a little bit. And we're back. It's been about a week since I made that first section of the video. Been about a week. But hey, we're back. We're gonna hop back on this thing, try to get this hydro booster rebuilt. And it's hotter than the sun out here, so that's why you see I got my shirt off, letting it all hang out, you know what I mean? Try to soak in that sun, you know? You know it's good for you. It's good for you. Not too much, but it's good for you. Alright, what I'm doing is I'm taking the master cylinder away from the booster itself. And I already disconnected my wires from the actual master cylinder and the AC line right there. Yeah, buddy. Alright, I'm gonna loosen my hose that runs to the power steering reservoir. I'm gonna need a 10 millimeter to get that off that wall. Give me a 10 millimeter. GoPro stopped recording there for a while. I don't know why, but we're back on it. So yeah, like I was saying, the master cylinder, I see fluid, but that don't mean the master cylinder was leaking up. So either way it go, we had a whining noise coming from the power steering, right? So, and the booster itself is leaking. Alright, I don't know what is going on with this camera. Probably, oh, it's a 7. Say GoPro 7. I got 2 of them. There's a a hose clamp with a square on it. That's used for the hose clamp that comes with the plastic that you turn with your hand. It's not a regular clamp like a Phillips or a flathead. So that's what I'm taking off right now. I'll show you here in a minute. So, I know this thing gonna leak because it's up there, so I got an idea. Yeah, I'm gonna replace this clamp with another one. GoPro hot. GoPro is hot. Anybody out there like donating to people? Donate me a camera. Donate me a shoot. Yeah. I don't know if I want a GoPro, the newest GoPro, or a camera, regular camera. I think I should get a regular camera. I don't know. Yeah. I'm new to this vlogging thing. But I gotta get me something good. Something that's beneficial, you know what I mean? With a camera. Not a camera, but a mic. Alright. Alright. I think I'm gonna remove that one line first. Do I have to undo that? Nope. Alright, so let me get my flare wrenches. I purchased these flare wrenches from Lowe's, Craftsman. And I F with Craftsman, you know what I mean? They ain't like they used to be, but they ain't as strong as they used to be. But I still F with Craftsman. That is 16. We'll see. No, it's bigger than 16. Alright, let's see how that fits. So that's an 18. And it fits a little loose. So, metric. Now we're going to try standard. And I guess that would be the, oh, I didn't open this one. See what can we do right here. Alright. Alright, we're gonna try 11/16. That seems like that size. I know it ain't. Would it be the 3/4? I guess it'd be the biggest one. Hold on. That one's bigger than that section. So yeah, we'll try this one. Okay. I guess it is right. I guess it is right. That one just looked bigger. I guess it's the equivalent American. Whoa. Yeah, that's too loose. That's what I said. It is too big. Too big. And 11/16 won't work. Alright. Alright. So, I guess we'll have to use a 18. That's weird, man. It should be the... That is so weird. So, alright, we back. I done switched GoPros. Hopefully this one will do alright. I only use this one a few times, handful. So yeah, I got my plantain chips. Things are good. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. El Sol. Alright, folks. Whoever watching this, if you're on this company, if you want to sponsor me, go right ahead. Go right ahead. Same thing with these folks right here. I'm reaching out. If you want to sponsor me, do it. Do it. We can do some things. Alright. Now that we got that out the way, we're about to get back on it. We're about to get back on. So what's next? So what's next is... Yeah, I think it already started coming out. Did it? Maybe. Maybe it didn't. Alright guys, so that is that. So what we gotta do now is we gotta go inside the vehicle and we gotta hook the rod from the brake pedal assembly, and then we got 4 bolts we gotta take out, and then boom, it'll be out of there. So yeah, we're gonna take us a plantain brake. I like this flavor. Spicy with lime, pea, piquant, con, lemon. I don't know what that say. Piquant. What did that say? Can you pronounce that? Piquant. Picante? Picante lemon. So is this Spanish? Spanish? Picante lemon. Yeah. I think it's Spanish. Yeah, because it got L. Duh. It's L. So it gotta be Spanish. So yeah, I'm gonna get that from the inside. I'm gonna get back with you. Go. Alright. We're back. And we got the brake pedal undone. The brake brake pedal undone from the booster. And the brake light switch. All that good stuff. And here we go. Yeah. That thing is heavy. Alright, here goes the booster. Alright. We're gonna keep it sprayed down. Yeah, we keep it sprayed down. Alright. Alright. There's a hole there. Alright guys, we're gonna set up a table and we're gonna break that booster apart, see what we can do to it. Get back with you in a little bit. Go on. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Finish breaking this thing apart. There is going to be some fluid that comes out, so try to play it smart and put it over an oil pan. Alright. Alright. We seen how that went in there carefully. Yeah, carefully. That went in there, spring like that. That went in there like that. Alright. 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 We'll get you situated here. Alright. Get you situated here. So that goes in there. We'll turn this thing up like this right here. Let's see what we got. Okay, that goes inside A. That goes inside A. And that pushes out of A like that right there. Alright. So let's take and set that to the side. Since we know that's how it goes back in. It goes like that. We're going to inspect that. And the seal that blows, that goes in this thing, is right inside here. It's right inside there. And so that'll be pretty much what I have to replace. That and that seal. What goes here, I don't know, but I don't think I'm gonna be replacing that. I don't think I need to get in there. Or maybe I should, I don't know. Was it leaking, so I ain't even worry about getting in that part. Main thing that leaks is that seal that's behind there. We're gonna fix that seal, put a new O-ring on it right there, and we're gonna call it. Alright, we back. Set you up. Some other GoPro in there, hear my voice. Alright. Alright guys, let's see about the O-rings on these lines here. You know what? We ain't gonna worry about that right now. We're gonna get this back in here. We're gonna get it right back on in here. And I ain't really worried too much how the outside looks. I could spray it down with some degreaser after I put it in here. Make sure this section is pretty much good. Alright, we're gonna go with it. Get you on up in there. It ain't pretty heavy though. I guess at this position it's heavy. Extend it out like this. What the frick? Okay. Gotta make sure. That wiring harness so daggone old. It's that wire harness cover. Hold on, let me get you. Well, you can see it right here. Look at, but not that one. But look at this wire. Watch this. It crumbles off. It crumbles off. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys. All right, so what I'm gonna do is get back in here, hook everything back up on the inside, and I'll get back with you. Come on. All right, guys. We're back. Got that thing on, tighten down. The mosquitoes about to start coming out. It done started cooling off. Alright. Alright, so we can get these O-rings off real quick here. Matter of fact, we're gonna torque this thing down. We'll torque down on them bolts. I ain't worried about looking up the torque specs or anything like that. I ain't worried about it. Some things you ain't gotta. Some things, why worry with it? You know what I mean? Why worry with it? You just gonna hand torque them. That's what we do. Ain't nothing like a hand torque wrench. All right. Alright, battery died, but on with it. Wherever you left off, I don't know, but on with it. So let's go right here. That one go there. Oh yeah, yeah. That's good. Alright. And guys, it's getting dark. It's getting dark. You ain't gonna better see what I'm doing, but I'm going back together with it. I'm gonna have to do a flush. Do a brake fluid flush. Brake fluid flush and power steering flush. And then I'll be ready to crank it back up. So, but you won't get in that footage today. I'm about to cut it short, like I said, since it's getting dark. Might as well cut it short. You ain't gonna be able to see nothing. And I gotta go anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna hook stuff back up and get it right. So yeah, guys, my little dread hanging out. To the next video. Go on.